I'm fond of reading books. I've read a lot of books in my life because I think it expands my knowledge as well as enrich my mind. I imagine when read something new, I find myself in another world, which gives me more pleasure. Plus, to remove my stress and anxiety, I read books. However, I love to read different genres such as detectives, stories, autobiography, and recent topics.